Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment which is based on using for loop in Java. So let's get started. As part of this assignment, you need to write a Java program. By using this for loop, you need to print the sum of the odd numbers from 1 to 10. So now you can pause this video, write the Java program which can print the sum of the odd numbers from 1 to 10 using this for loop. So hope you have paused the video. Now you can resume the video for knowing the answer or finding out the answer. I am going to explain the answer for you by writing this Java program. So you can cross check your Java program with mine to see whether you are on the same page. Fine. So for that, I'll switch to this Eclipse ID and here I'm going to write the for loop for int from 1 to 10, right? So I need to find the sum of the odd numbers from 1 to 10. So I'll iterate this loop from 1 to 10 first. Int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. Now, inside this for loop, okay, I'll write if I modulus 2 is equal to 1, okay, then we can consider I is an odd number, right? If you are dividing this I by 2 and if you are getting the remainder as 1, then that is an odd number. Then what I have to do, if it is an odd number, I need to calculate the sum of the odd numbers. So here initially I'll say int sum is equal to 0 here. Okay. Before the for loop itself, I'll declare the variable sum with int and assign the value 0. Now here I'll say sum is equal to sum plus I. If it is an odd number, we'll go inside the if block and I'll add the odd number to this sum. Fine. This will be iterated. Okay. Until all the iterations are completed, 10 iterations, only the odd numbers will be calculated into the sum. Now at the end of the for loop, I'll print the sum. I'll just print sum here. Let's see what will be the output. Right click, run as Java application. 25 is the answer, right? So let's find out whether that is correct or not. So what are the different odd numbers from 1 to 10? 1 is an odd number. 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the different odd numbers from 1 to 10. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. So 25 is the answer, which is right. So whatever the output we got is right. So let me run it again. You see, you are getting the 25, which is the correct answer. So this is a proper or correct program. Okay, using the for loop, we are able to calculate the sum of the odd numbers, which are from 1 to 10. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.